only good thing about Corona is this 289. Look at that. Less money going out, right? Less money. Alright, 32 bucks to fill up a full tank. I would say that's a bargain. Alright guys, so I'm over here at the gas station. I'm gonna go over to Kung's because my hanger on my exhaust broke. But here we are, look at this. Double whammy with the MR2s. Oh yeah. Looks so good. This thing's loud, hard top. Oof. Oof. It's the same, but way different. Oh yeah. Alright, well, we're gonna go ahead and go over to Kung's, who also has the white MR2. You guys have seen it many times. And this thing is boosted 2ZZ GTE. Oh yeah. He's gonna get the center exit exhaust, kind of like the Lotus's. So yeah, we're gonna go head over now. Oh, it sounds so good. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna go head over now. And another. Dashboard, the diffuser off. But unfortunately, we couldn't get Mitch's done. But sun's coming out, and he's gonna go to a different shop. So, pull out my car, and he's gonna come out. Guys, all of a sudden it's sunny when we're not driving our MR2s on the highway. Why is that? Also, got it fixed. Oh, it sounds so good. Sounds so good. I love it. Might be changing soon though. That's a big hit.